You can't feel the power without the Peter.
Ah! Dad! Get away from me!
Oh, in the kitchen, Meg.
You can't appreciate Brian without Stewie.
We're gonna have to come up with a way to change your appearance.
Then I could disguise myself as Britney Spears. I'm already standing in urine and I hate the person I'm with.
You can't understand the ways of the world without Family Guy.
I just made 500 t-shirts that say, vote for Lois unless you're queer. No, wait, even if you're queer. No Jews, though. Okay, Jews.
And you can't see all new episodes of Family Guy without Fox Sunday.
Indeed, that's how it happens.